Welcome back to Santana's Kitchen. Today I'm going to do some stew peas. I have my peas here washed and soaked. I'm going to put it in the pressure cooker to cook. And garlic and ginger. So I'm just going to let this cook. Alright guys, so I added the pigtails to the pot. I'm going to cook it and then add it to the pressure cooker with the red peas. Alright guys, so I'm going to add my pigtails. I'm going to leave it to cook for a few more minutes. Alright guys, so it's time to season the pot. Got my scallion, my thyme, and my pepper. My pepper. All-purpose seasoning. I'm going to put 2 spoons of all-purpose seasoning. Going to stir it around. And 1 cup of coconut milk. Yeah. Alright, so I'll add some spinners to it now. So I do a few of them on camera and then pause it and just mix up the rest. Alright guys, so I'm finished add the spinners to the pot. So I'm just going to, leave it, let it cook out some more. So this is it guys. It just has a few more minutes to go. And it will be all ready. So I'm just going to let it cook for a few more minutes and then you guys will see the finished product. And I will leave the recipe in the description box below. Guys, see it? We just have a few more minutes to go. It's getting there. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. This is the stew peas and pigtail. Wanna say it looks really nice. Love the color. And thank you guys for watching my videos, and leave a comment, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and have yourself a wonderful day. Guys, my stew peas is ready to go.